how you slice it.
I don't know what this is, Peter, but we're 4 months behind on our mortgage.
Well, that's odd. It's not like we're short on dough.
I'm taking the kids and I'm staying at my parents' for a while.
That's the yeast of my concerns. Step forward, maggot.
Next time, that'll be you.
Well, why wasn't it him this time?
Oh, I'm so scared.
Peter, stop it!
Yeah, you're real big when you got that stick, ain't you? Okay, I'll stop now.
Got some crystals. I figured we could do it together as father and son.
I don't know about that.
Tell you what, I'll get us started.
That feels better.
You sure that stuff is okay?
All I know is the guys who made it are dead. Why is there no hole in this wall?
Lee, this is happening to me. I can never go back to school again.
Oh, yes, Meg, yes. Everything was going swimmingly for you until this. Yes. This is the thing that will ruin your reputation. Not your years of grotesque appearance or awkward social places, or that Felix Ungarish way you clear your sinuses. No. It's this. Do you hear yourself talk? I might kill you tonight.
Allez-y, asseyez-vous. Monsieur Evan Burger.
Burger? Excusez-moi, est-ce qu'il vient de dire que son nom de famille est Burger? Oh, j'y crois pas, est-ce qu'on te sert avec des frites? Ton deuxième prénom c'est Cheese? Est-ce qu'il vient de dire que son nom de famille est Burger?
Those two to make a simple burger.
There's a burger in Vegas called